How are you guys? Let's wait to Ate Cherry. May dala pala siyang bagoong, no? Ate Cherry get bagoong from their house. Sayang. Nakatulog kasi kami kahapon. Kasi ate nagsampay, ako nakatulog. Hi everyone! Malakas pala yung signal nyo dito pag dito sa loob. Pag doon lang sa labas, asan ang router nyo? Nasa taas. Oh. Malakas dito. Pero, hi everyone! How was the pancit? The pancit was so delicious, guys. It was it was very, very, very good. I think you will be get set of all translating words. I think I will have to get a set of AI translating words. Why? Why are you there? Hi, Juan Carlos. How's everyone, guys? Double tap the screen. Official hi to you, Dilando. Hi. Boss Jerome. Hi. How? Ronaldo Suarez. Hi. Hello. Yes, hello, everyone. Double tap the screen, guys. Thank you. Thank you. So that I can hear the conversation in English. You want to hear the Tagalog words to translate into English? Like that? Then you become a Marites already. Yung pag nag-usap tayo dito ng salita natin, nag-translate agad sa kanya. Na may buds lang siya dito na kapag nag-uusap na dito. Gusto na rin niya tumalino sa mundo. Hi! Mahal kita.
Ang amo ang uyak kay giulod. Wala na lang mo gigiyabo na lang na mo.
Uyak pa.
Nakaiuyak di ako ay.
Wala. Mapalit na lang.
Yes, it does the translation in real time. We have mango, guys, here. Wow! Ay, sarap ng ganito. This mango is sour also. And we will dip in a bagoong.
Diba kay bagoong din ilakuan mo?
Mapalit na pa itong raman.
Ang hirap balatan nito. Pero maasim to, no?
Hindi yan maasim, be.
Oh?
Sarap yan.
Sige nga, asa na yung peeler? Baka na peeler, ako yung magbabalat. We will peel the mango. Ate, pahiram ako peeler. Kasi lupin, lalagyan ng ng basura. Show me your girlfriend. What girlfriend? My friend? Yan o. Send super sticker. She's sad. Send super sticker, guys. Look, she's sad. That's my friend. Lemon care vinegar. Bikram, all the women there in relationship comes morning up 14 for wonder like to see a single. Yeah. Come here on 14. Mango Segoy Suarez. Good morning, Mami Jimalyn. Kumusta? I will open the mango for... Tayin ko muna yung...
Ilagay mo ito. Ano naman siya?
Sira, no? Morning, Chemalyn. Yeah, I will open the mango, guys.